I think for me personally, when I came back from travelling, you know, I'd been away for a good few years. So to come into a company that was on the up and be given the opportunity, and 16, 17 years of my life to do this. So really, cut me open, I'm probably black and yellow, to be fair. Hi, I'm Lee Dunne. I'm the Business Development Manager for the North East for ASAFE. In 2006 it started. Came back from travelling. I applied for a role on the installation department. There was 2 of us at first. I've been with the company now 16 and a half years. I had quite a few opportunities within the company, and then this one presented itself to be a BDM, and I took it with both hands. It's been 18 months now since I started, and hopefully many more years to come. Most I like about ASAFE is the vision from Luke and James and the directors. Like I say, I've been here 16 years. The journey that we're on and where we're going is just phenomenal. And to be honest with you, it's only going to get bigger and better and faster. I wouldn't say it's my biggest achievement, but if we're talking internal of ASAFE, I love my time as the install supervisor. I love connecting with people. I love going from different site to site every day. It's one thing that I'll never forget. I love travelling as well, so to get the opportunity within ASAFE to work all over Europe, working in the Middle East, for me that's a massive thing. Things I like to do in my spare time is we like to travel quite a bit. I'm a coach of an under-14s football team, Whalley Rangers. I love being outdoors really. I look at ASAFE's future and I look at the past 15, 16 years, and if the growth and the journey is anything like what I've witnessed in the past decade, it's just going to be massive. The expansion and the thought process and the things that I've been told that we're leaning towards with the smart technology and stuff like that is just out of this world. There's only one way, and that's up.